Compassion, care for others and the environment, and the role of communal discernment. Good day, everyone. Today, I will talk about what compassion means, how it can be expressed through caring for others, people, and the environment, and how communal discernment and it can help make you and the world a more compassionate place. In my own understanding, compassion is the ability to recognize the feelings, struggles, and needs of others and respond with kindness, concern, and action. It is more than simply feeling for someone. Compassion involves putting ourselves in another person's situation and asking what we can do to help. It encourages us to look beyond our own interests and become aware of the challenges faced by others. Compassion is not limited to moment of crisis. It can be practiced every day through our words, attitudes, and actions. Compassion is an important value because it strengthens human relationship and creates sense of unity. In a world where people often focus on their personal goals and responsibilities, compassion reminds us that we are disappointment and struggles by showing understanding. We can help lighten the burdens of others. Sometimes, a simple act of listening, encouraging, or supporting someone can make a significant difference in their life. One of the most common ways compassion is expressed is through caring for others. This can be seen in our families, school, workplace, and communities. Caring for others means being willing for help those who need assistance regardless of their background, beliefs, or circumstances. It involves treating people with respect and dignity. For example, a student can show compassion by helping classmates who are having difficulty with their lesson, including those who feel left out, or offering encouragement to some who lack confidence. Compassion also means being sensitive to the compassion means being sensitive to the emotion and experience of other people. There are times when individuals may be dealing with problems that are not immediately visible. Some may be struggling with financial difficulties, family issues, stress, or personal challenges. Instead of judging them, compassion encourages us to be patient and understanding. It reminds us that everyone. Another important aspect of compassion is service. Many people express compassion by volunteering, donating resources, and participating in community projects or supporting charitability activities. Service allows us to put our concern for others into action. It helps address real needs and demonstrate that compassion is not just a feeling but a commitment to improving the lives of others. Through service, we learn the importance of generosity, responsibility, and solidarity with those who are less fortunate. Compassion is not limited to humans' relationship. It can also be expressed through our care for the environment. The natural world provides everything necessary for life, including clean air, water, food, and natural resources. Because of this, caring the environment is also a form of caring for people. Environment problems such as pollution, climate change, deforestation, and waste accumulation affect communities around the world. Many of these issues consequences. Showing compassion for the environment means recognizing our responsibility to protect. Every action we take has an impact on the world. around us. When we waste resources, pollute natural areas, or ignore environmental problems, the consequences are often experienced by other people and future generations. On the other hand, when we make environmentally responsible choices, we contribute to the well-being of both present and future communities. These are many practical ways to show compassion for the environment. We can reduce our use of single-use plastic, practices recycling, conserve water and electricity, plant trees, participate in environmental programs, and support sustainable practice. These actions may seem simple, but when combined with the effort of others, they can create meaningful change. A concept that support compassionate action is communal discernment. Communal discernment refers to the process of listening, reflecting, discussing, and making decisions together as a community. Instead of relying safety on individual opinion, communal discernment encourages people to seek understanding through. It involves considering different perspectives and identifying shared values and working toward solutions that promotes the common good. Communal discernment is important because many of the challenges faced by communities are complex and require collective effort. No single person has all the answer. By engaging a meaningful conversation and thoughtful reflection, communities can make wiser and more exclusive decisions. This process helps ensure that different voices are heard and respected. It encourages people to move beyond personal interests and consider what is best for everyone. In the context of PU, communal discernment plays a significant role in creating a compassionate and inclusive environment. A university is made up of students, faculty members, administrators, and staff who came from diverse backgrounds and experiences. Through communal discernment, members of the university community can work together to address concerns, improve policies, and when people are given opportunities to share their perspective and participate in decision making, they feel respected and valued. Communal discernment also promotes empathy and understanding. By listening carefully to the experience of others, we gain a different appreciation of their needs and concerns. This helps reduce misunderstanding and encourages cooperation. It creates a culture where people are more willing to support one another and work together towards common goals. Such a culture is essential for building a compassionate. Beyond the university, communal discernment can contribute to making the world a more compassionate place. Many global issues, including poverty, inequality, and environmental degradation, and social conflict, require cooperation and collective action. Through dialogue, reflection, and shared decision-making, communities and societies can develop solutions that are fair, sustainable, and
Compassion. When you feel someone else's pain and want to help them, that's compassion. It's like saying, I'm here for you, and I want to ease your suffering. Compassion brings people closer. When you show kindness and understanding, you create bonds with others. Imagine if everyone cared about each other's pain. Compassion lessens suffering by offering comfort and support. To be compassionate, pay attention when someone talks, and show empathy by understanding their feelings. Imagine their situation. How would you feel? Respond with kindness. Offer assistance or a kind word. Small acts matter. Compassion is a wonderful and important quality. By showing compassion, we can build stronger relationships, make the world kinder, and feel happier ourselves.